Paul Homick is the president of the Mercy Health Foundation Mahoning Valley. It's an organization which supports the work of Mercy Health Youngstown, the largest medical provider and employer in the community.
All of the projects and programs that we do, specifically focused on community health, infant mortality initiatives, cancer screenings, the Joni Abdu Comprehensive Breast Care Center, and Joni's Promise, which ensures that all of our patients get the services that we offer regardless of ability to pay.
In his nearly 10 years as president, Homick and his team have worked on several housing initiatives with Catholic Charities, including finding pregnant or new mothers a safe environment to live.
And now recently we've been talking about the possibility of some other initiatives, specifically around respite housing for those who are released from the hospital and need a place to go to recover, but don't need that higher level of care from a long-term care facility.
Rachel Herbelich, director of Catholic Charities, says her organization and Mercy Health are excited about two new initiatives currently underway.
We continue to work on projects together. In fact, we have two such projects that are happening right now that we hope to be telling the community more about very soon.
Homick says in local communities it's important to cultivate hope.
And the Voice of Hope recognition, especially in this year when Pope Francis calls all of us to be pilgrims of hope, is highly significant and certainly a great honor for us.
I'm very excited that it's a recognition of all of us.
St. Michael Parish in Canfield is also honored as a 2025 Voice of Hope winner. Accepting the award is the church's pastor and diocese vicar for missionary discipleship, Father John Michael Lavelle, a two-time winner, who is also celebrating 25 years in the priesthood. Father Lavelle says there's always been a long-standing pattern in his parish of providing service to those in need.
The parish for decades has provided breakfast on Saturday mornings at the St. Vincent de Paul Soup Kitchen, and that's a wonderful and long-standing tradition. Our partnering with Catholic Charities through a variety of collections and activities has made such a difference, and not only a difference in the lives of those people who are being ministered to, but also creating more awareness in our parishioners.
This is actually their second Voice of Hope Award. They have done nothing but continue and to build upon that tradition of service to those in need. And Father Lavelle in particular, everywhere he goes, he always makes a connection with Catholic Charities locally.
Father Lavelle says it's vital to continue working with young people and creating a mentality, a desire to reach out to those in need.
We can't expect people all of a sudden in their 20s, 30s, 40s to get it. And it really is laying the foundation. And so we've been very intentional working with our young people in our faith formation to have these moments where as a family they discuss an issue or a topic and then go and do something. I'm just so personally blessed to have been able to partner with Catholic Charities through my entire priesthood, whether it's been in agencies wherever I've been a pastor or working here at the diocesan offices, helping the annual appeal raise funds to meet the needs of the Catholic Charities budget, but in all of those ways to see how they are really on the ground helping us bring together our forces and our ability and our gifts and make a difference in people's lives.
The 2025 Catholic Charities Voice of Hope Dinner takes place on Thursday, May 1st from 5 to 8 p.m. at the Eastwood Event Center in Niles. For details or tickets, visit ccdoy.org/voice-of-hope.